Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is tamarind chicken. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Tamarind paste is a lovely ingredient. It adds a sort of mellow sourness to a dish. So if you've never tried it before, give this recipe a try. Okay, first let's prepare the marinade. In a suitably sized bowl, add the onions, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce, the star of the show, the tamarind paste, followed by the sweet chilli sauce. Anytime this year, sweetheart, it'll be good. I bet she's daydreaming about chocolate again. And a couple of cracks of nice black pepper and half a cup of water and thoroughly mixed through. Then cut the chicken thighs into suitably sized pieces, add to the marinade and allow to marinate for about an hour. When the hour is up and you're ready to cook, heat the oil in a suitably sized frying pan, shake off any excess marinade off the chicken and add to the pan. Being careful you reserve any marinade left because you're going to need that. Continue to cook the chicken till it's nice and coloured on all sides. Then simply remove from the pan and reserve. Then add the remaining marinade to the pan, cook on high heat until the sauce starts to thicken. Then it's back in with the chicken, thoroughly heat through and serve. And that's one particular version of tamarind chicken. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please share and like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Stay safe, and bye for now.